Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the sound design channel. My name is FurCloud, and in today's tutorial we're going to be making a vital lead inspired by melodic house artists like Le Nate and Le Youth. And yeah, so this is how it sounds. And in context with the bass, sounds like this. Alright, and if you want to learn how to make this bass right here, there's a brand new tutorial on this bass on the sound design channel. So now let's get started with this lead. Let's copy the MIDI and let's open up a new instance of Vital and let's initialize the preset. And now the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to turn on the filter. We're going to filter oscillator 1 and 2. Alright, so now let's go to oscillator 1 and let's select the vital sine wavetable. And let's add a little bit of unison to 2 voices and the detune to 2%. And now over here in the phase, let's select the bend option here, and we're going to be using this later on. Alright, so now let's go to oscillator 2, let's turn it on, and let's select the basic shapes wavetable. Let's add a little bit of unison. And now let's turn on the sample noise oscillator and let's just turn the level to 0, and we're going to be using this to add a little bit more punch to the sound. So now let's go to envelope 1 and create our envelope shape. And we're going to have our release at 0.8 seconds. And we're going to be attaching this envelope to the bend of oscillator 1. Just to make the sound a bit more interesting. And now with the envelope 2, we're going to create a very short envelope shape, and we're going to attach this to the level of the white noise. Just like that. And now this will just add a little bit more click and punch to the sound. And I forgot, let's just move the frame of oscillator 2 to 126. Alright, so now with envelope 3, let's create a more plucky envelope shape. And let's attach this to the filter cutoff. Alright, so now let's add a little bit more movement to the sound, and we're going to be attaching this random 1 to the filter cutoff. And also to the fine tune of both oscillators. And we're going to have it at 0.178. Just to make the sound a bit more analog. Alright, so I think we can go to the effects section now, and let's turn on the EQ. Let's remove all of those lower frequencies. Let's turn on the compressor and let's move the mix to around 0.246. Now let's turn on the chorus, mix at around 11%. And now let's turn on delay and reverb. And now together with the bass. Alright, that's how you make this melodic house lead using Vital. Feel free to grab this patch in the pack link below. And thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye.